Abusia for way boot for boot. Na say na medical aka no room for propaganda na intro. Na yentie Canada Japan and tro a wode na ma wode ye campaign.
Yama wakwa bi mfambra Ghana Nsem TV eso. Promise and I'm no edi ehia in the area. Den na ekoso. The ekoso enina NSA. Ebusuya. Onabu Canada compare ko Japan. Aka asem bi. Nenam so e ma de asem kese pa aba na ebusuya. Min waste your time no yenko ti asem onabu Canada Japan. Oka ye nam so e ma de sa issue ya. Ye di hu nkomo nyina no aba.
Abusia for way boot for boot. Na say na medical aka no room for propaganda na intro. Na yentie Canada Japan and tro a wode na ma wode ye campaign. Mu wia mombra na me expose no. And I'm not going to mince words. It's going to be brute, it's going to be forceful, it's going to be direct. And I'm
saying he for no the man. Or your mark in Japan bia, you ma the whole of the thing. Na NDC for bet me up bomb. First na me body. But no me body. It me man 350 million contract. E wa ha. Ya some man 350 million contract wa ha. Go Rose. Western and Western North now. When you move 40%. When NDC take.
Shen, Canada Japan was some walkie, no crab when I can say on authority say, a entron a watcher. Na ninty a watcher and and say, Mobakaya may be a video be I made 20 of contracts I will ye, our energy ministry, ever 2 jack. Na sa video na kwaye pa ama delegates who say a Canada Japan in many wives and a boy MPP grassroots for na bro in the last 8 years of MPP. Into oma yeso mo beto abetiano. Into to do damage control no ana washeda e twa ntro say I am my NDC fu obi kura contract into ono a ye MPP ni ye ma na contract and say into ade na ye de ne contract ayama na ye ba betuja. But I can assure you, say, enyam pasa asema Canada Japan ke eyentro na ye de no. I say NDC ni ku a wose ye man road contract no onfa ne din betuja. Now one says specific road contractor ye de man there ye de man no. Na afen so onfa sa contractor na ni NDC membership card and come on proving Ghana for any MPP for. But I can assure you, say, Oma Canada Japan 10 years a cry on to me improve it before because as I'm now working eyentro. Now you see, let's even assume without admitting sending a work and a correct. One and a road contract and our man road contract, we Kufuado abe, Dr. Baomia. In the 8 years of a Kufuado, road contract a coach Babere Mania, honorable Amaquanta, and a sign a Honorable Asenso Boatibe road minister in 2024 February or Piano. Now honorable Amaquata signed road contract a woho dinara. Na yemusa ye ho sem flag bearership contest a ekosui honorable Amakwata or contest bi mahu se honorable Amakwata oni Canada Japan contest bi mahu se Dr. Baumia ne campaign team a oni omunam yi honorable Amakwata edimu bi da mahu se honorable Amakwata or ye campaign ama Dr. Baumia poda until you see a senseless say binya se bi anim for Canada Japan to say obi ama NDC ni road contract inti yemfa ho sombo no embo Dr. Baumia na Dr. Baumia ono abo Amakwata da omo ye ntafo ana even in ntafo mpu say baako ye bone a yemfa ho sombo no embo the other person because obi aba ne banko sanso na woketre ntimi nkore ne mako ma ponchereni enti hu fifire na ye maburu na se ye ma ye bufu because esa na Canada Japan twato a wode intronic propaganda and senseless argument tarnish the hard-won reputation of Dr. Baumia bia ne no enye wo favorite person but ochina ebeya wo na ebeya your favorite person na ye jama that narrative no ye establish wo ye party ni mam ochina no eduru go so na there will be nobody obekasa am anything na some of us yes brand say we won't miss west ye beka check Canada Japan say onje campaign na wo ya say binyansan nimu no because obi ntimi nkoma contract road minister ntimi nkoma contract na wo de ho sombo na ba bebo Dr. Baumia say Amakwata akoma road contract or the ama NDC nim enti yemfa ho sombo no embo Dr. Baumia na o vice president enyo no ne decide who gets what in aban nim enyo no na ema road contract na honorable Canada Japan contractor ye de ma wo road ministry and all the other ministries, ni departments, ni agencies, and chairman, can air baba. For delegates to know how our wedding picture only many wives never ma. As he KP, Moma Fanshire grassroots to follow. Now, dear Hotama, every opportunity you get, you did the DMPP for them. So you guys should stay tuned. Me say, boot for boot, no room for propaganda, any intro. Madam, I say.
Say, I no crow. Say, I no crow. Ochina, any be who no crano. Them cast Ochina be who no crana, them person with you. Then one day, you can be pay. Son of can bet me a PNA, bet me a pure Ochina. But whatever it is, one day we would actually find out the truth about this whole thing. Is it true that some contractors our NDC for was given contract of 350 million? Send the Honorable Kennedy a compare a coin Japan a legend no cre and answer no cre. Now Kennedy Japan ye nim no. Min nim say oyobia on fast see. You know, he is someone that always tells you how the thing is. He doesn't beat around the bush. He always goes straight to the point and tell you what he thinks is actually going on. So in this situation whereby it's like he's feeling it very hard to tell us what is happening now, there is a problem. There is a problem, Ebusia, I'm telling you. There is a problem. And it's our problem, we know. The only thing I can say about it is to say, it is either he is lying or ABI in the crib, but he doesn't have the fact to support his claims. Because the Canadian Japan that I know is someone that will always comes out with facts when exactly, when especially he knows that what exactly he's talking about in the crib. He will come out with facts and provide the name of the person, where it happened and everything. But in this occasion now, all kinds of what he said this time around, he's not going to mention the name of the person involved. Think about it. Why is he not mentioning the person's name if he knows that what he's saying is true? Why is he not mentioning the person's name? That is the question people are asking. If indeed he knows that what he is saying is true, the Canadian upon me and you know, and he will actually mention the person's name. You understand? So why is he not mentioning the person's name? If indeed he knows that what he's saying is true, that is the question now. Ghana for Busa highway no so they are all asking the same question, saying Canadian Japan, and he is not someone Ostroso Bekasa. So why is it that this time around he is feeling it very hard to talk and actually mention the person's name? So this is what people are saying, that maybe an intro. And I say, and the crenswa na onim nipa no ebi obi na aka na wate. Na sasa na tiempo, it has nothing to do with Dr. Baumia. It has nothing to do with Baumia as a candidate or a vice president, because he was not the roads minister. He was not the road minister for roads. What I say? He was not the minister in charge of the construction of roads. So how does it concern him in the first place? That is what people are actually doing. I'm asking.